Hey everyone, my name is Erik Dahl, and welcome to my course, Securely Handling Errors and Logging Security Events in ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core. I'm a principal architect at RealPage. Improperly handling errors in your application can enable hackers to see all kinds of things about your application and can simplify the job of compromising its security, and failing to log various security types of events can leave you blind to the fact that this type of activity is even going on. In this course, we're going to make sure that you can properly handle and log errors without giving away compromising details of your apps, and correctly log various security events that can assist in monitoring and investigating security-related activities. Some of the major topics we'll cover include establishing a global logging framework that can catch, gracefully handle, shield, and log errors, identifying security events that should be logged, reviewing information that should be logged with each entry, and defining ways that you should be able to analyze your log entries. By the end of this course, you'll know how to safeguard your applications with excellent error handling and properly capture security events that will facilitate monitoring and investigation. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic concepts in ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how logging can help the security footprint of your applications with the Securely Handling Errors and Logging Security Events course here at Pluralsight.